Welcome to Kings Road House, a remarkable transformation by Matthew Giles Architects. This Edwardian home in Wimbledon, South London, has been reimagined to blend contemporary design with traditional elements. The house overlooks South Park Gardens, and its bold yet understated redesign enhances the charm of the Kings Road streetscape. It's a modern interpretation of the classic brick homes typical of the area. Originally a dilapidated structure, the house has been extended, remodeled and insulated for thermal efficiency, creating a warm and sustainable family home for its new owners. The exterior features lime-washed bricks inspired by Scandinavian techniques, which give the house a monolithic yet inviting look. Chamfered edges and concealed gutters add to its sleek aesthetic. At the rear, a full-width dormer expands the living space, while an inset balcony at the front roof slope opens to views of the park. The L-shaped extensions maximize natural light throughout the day. Inside, the home is a balance of modern craftsmanship and thoughtful preservation. Original structural elements, like the front chimney breast, have been retained as nods to the house's history. Bespoke joinery and a simple, high-quality material palette define the interiors. A kite-shaped roof light and sculptural oak handrail bring playfulness to the design. An internal planted light well connects work and living spaces, enhancing ventilation and creating a tranquil atmosphere. The home now boasts an open mezzanine and a top floor with 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, accessible via a birch ply-lined hallway. Combining Scandinavian design with English architecture creates a harmonious balance between minimalism and well-being. The clean lines, natural materials, and light-filled spaces of Scandinavian aesthetics blend seamlessly with the timeless character of English homes, offering a design that is both modern and inviting. This transformation stands as a testament to the harmony of sustainability and design. It preserves the character of the area while meeting the modern needs of a growing family. Matthew Giles Architects have created a home full of life and warmth, seamlessly blending the past with the future. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.